Hi everyone, we have something new in Wrapper and we're very excited to show you today. You know how sometimes a pattern can look a little flat, even though you're quite sure it will work great once you print it. Wouldn't it be handy if you could see what that pattern looked like on a product? Now wouldn't it be great if that product was actually three-dimensional so you can see it from all sides? Even better, imagine you could edit your pattern while you're seeing it on the product. All this is now possible in Wrapper. View your pattern on a pillow, t-shirt, fabric sample, and more. It looks so good, it's almost like you're looking at the real thing. These are super handy features for pattern makers, for two reasons. One, while you're designing, you can see how your patterns will work in real life. And second, with any finished pattern, you can now export it as a 3D preview and use it straight in your promotional materials. That was a little sneak peek into the new 3D feature in Wrapper. If you want to learn more, click the video over here.